We used to have 6 tool trucks coming to the shop. Now we're down to 2, or technically 3. All right, so if you've been watching my videos, we've had some issues going on with our tool dealers. We used to have, in order of appearance, JTC, Matco, an independent tool dealer, Snap-on, Cornwell, and Mac. Well, unfortunately, they're kind of dropping like flies. Now we still have JTC and Matco, but our Snap-on dealer is shutting down. He's going out of business. Well, today was his last day, so he's done. Our Cornwell dealer, he is also out of business. He had some disagreements with Cornwell, and he's done. JTC still comes around every other week. It's what they do. They bring us special tools when we need them. They hotshot them to us, so we still have JTC. Our independent tool dealer stopped coming by. He hasn't gone out of business as far as I know. Nobody was buying from him anymore. I paid my bill off, and I wasn't finding a whole lot on his truck to buy because he wasn't bringing in new stuff. You know, he's an old guy, cool dude, but I don't need 10mm sockets. I got a ton of them. I don't need wrenches. I've got a ton of them. So it was hard to buy anything from him because he didn't have anything new and cool that might interest you guys or might make me money. So I stopped buying from him for that reason. I kept going on his truck. I just didn't find anything cool and new to go on his truck for. So unfortunately, we're down to 2. Robbie, who, you know, sold me the Rebel X's, our Mac dealer, who back in the day was our Matco dealer and went down to Florida for his parents, moved back to Georgia. He couldn't get his territory back because, you know, Robbie took it. So he went over to Mac. Other than the JTC truck, that's all we got now. I don't know when we're going to get a new Snap-on dealer. Cornwell, I'm sure a lot of people in the comments will talk about how, you know, they haven't seen a Cornwell dealer. I've gotten comments about Mac, Matco. It's all regional, you know, what tool dealers you see. Snap-on and Cornwell are gone. I don't have access to them, so not going to be a whole lot of Snap-on or Cornwell tools to review. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.